If you own a small business, LinkedIn can be a great way to grow it. But coming up with posts of things to actually talk about and say on LinkedIn on a regular basis can be a huge pain until now. There are brand new AI tools that make it really easy to take YouTube videos, so topics that are relevant to your business, and turn them into really great LinkedIn posts. So this will save you time and also help boost your subscribers and attract customers for your business through LinkedIn. Let me show you how to do this quickly and easily using a system that I'm putting the link in the description below. So just click on that link, it'll take you right to where you can sign up. Basically, all you need to do is I'm pretending that I own a hiring or staffing agency, right? So for my staffing agency, I want to post about maybe tips, advice, and kind of newsletter-esque for how to actually grow or hire the best people, right? That would be a helpful thing, would attract people in my niche. So all I just searched on YouTube for guide to hiring, and I found this video that seemed like it had pretty great performance. They said how to hire only the best people, right? That sounds like something that would make sense for me if I owned a staffing agency to share on LinkedIn. So all I do is I paste the link over here in my Keegan AI system, and then I select the GPT format, and then I just click on generate a LinkedIn post. Now it knows that I'm trying to format this content, which is really great, for LinkedIn. So it's no different than sharing an article or something like that. You should, link to the video to give them credit maybe. But all it's going to do now is start to take that information, and you can see it's giving them credit in the quotes, and turn that into a high quality LinkedIn post for my business. Now I'm going to show you something really cool about this too. So if I owned a staffing agency, you can see that this starts to catch people's attention because it knows how to write good posts. Are you tired of hiring people who don't live up to expectations? Do you struggle with identifying high performers? Think about that. For my staffing agency, that's going to attract readers and subscribers that not only are interested in the content and things that I'm an expert in, but if they're reading that type of information, they also are a prospective client for my business, right? So once I've done that, then I can actually take this and copy and paste it right into the LinkedIn post. So now once this is generated for me, you can see that I can take any of this information, I can just use it as is, or I can go in and I can add emojis to it and it'll automatically do that for me. I can shorten it, I can regenerate it if I didn't like this version. I can also go over here and change the personality. So if I think, more corporate or friendly, or if my brand is more clickbaity, I can do that. But honestly, I'll place this in the description too, so you can read through it. It just created a pretty high quality LinkedIn post for my business that I probably usually wouldn't even change. So that's it. That's how you use some new AI to create LinkedIn posts that are sure to attract customers and subscribers for your business. Check out the link in the description. They'll give you a free trial. And wishing you the best of luck. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more great tips on how you can use AI to grow your small business.